All right, so in this video, we're going to look at topic N5 in Algebra 1. So this is on box plots. So we're going to start by looking at this example. So box plots are created by using the quartiles, which we did in a previous topic. So last year, Lola kept track of how long she volunteered at the animal shelter each month. This is the data that represents her volunteer hours. What was the lower quartile of Lola's volunteer hours? Well, let's look at this key idea here. So a box plot tells you the minimum, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the maximum of a data set. So this is what a box plot looks like. This thing over here, we call this a whisker. The left-hand one stops right here at the minimum value. In the middle, we have this box. The left-hand side of the box is the lower quartile. This line right here in the box is the median. The right-hand side of the box represents the upper quartile. And this whisker on the right represents the maximum. So in this case, Lola, her lower quartile of her volunteer hours is right here. And it looks like this line. These are going up by 2, so 4, 6, 8, 10. So it is 10 hours. So let's go up to a practice question. So at soccer practice, Mike asked each of his teammates to write down their shoe size. And here's the data to represent that. What is the interquartile range for Mike's teammates' shoe sizes? So the interquartile range, I'm going to call it the IQR just to save myself some writing, is equal to the upper quartile, which I call Q3, minus the lower quartile, which is Q1. So in other words, I should say IQR, interquartile range, equals upper quartile minus lower quartile. So in this case, the upper quartile is here, and the lower quartile is here. So basically, the interquartile range is the range of this box here. So these go up by 1. So this right here is 5. This is 7. So in this case, the interquartile range is 7 minus 5, which is 2. So let's type that here. All right. So next one. At noon, a weatherman reported the temperature of each city in the area. What was the highest temperature? So for this one, all we have to remember is that this value over here is the highest value, and that's right at 68. And this is 68 degrees. Again, so this one says what is the most goals. So if they're asking for most goals, they're asking for the highest again. So that's going to be here, which in this case is 8. All right, so now they're asking us for the upper quartile. What's the upper quartile of the temperatures here? So that we will find right here. So that's the right side. So this is the upper quartile. So the upper quartile is 56 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so this time they're asking us for the range, not the interquartile range, just the regular range. So just a reminder, range, nope, that's not how you spell range. Range is equal to highest minus lowest. So that's going to be this value here minus this value here. So 60 minus 15, which equals 45.